Meaning of family tree.
Family tree.
Family tree.
Family tree.
Family tree. Family tree refers to a graphical representation of a person's genealogy, tracing the relationships between ancestors and descendants across multiple generations. It typically includes the names, birth and death dates, and sometimes photographs or other personal details of each individual. These trees can be simple or complex, depending on the amount of information available and the level of detail desired. They are often used by individuals and families to research their ancestry and better understand their roots. In short, a family tree is a visual representation of a person's family history and lineage.